Woo! Hi loves, I'm Alicia, but I go by Lee, and it's the end of the night. It's absolutely time to go through my skincare routine. So we're gonna go ahead and remove all of this makeup first and then get into the routine. Boom! So first things first, I just like to start off with some makeup wipes. I typically use 2 of them, and I literally just try to get off as much makeup as I possibly can. My skin is oily and acne prone, so it's really important that I remove this extra layer in order for my skin to breathe and to help prevent breakouts in the future. I never ever sleep in makeup. It's coming off. And these wipes are by Olay. I just like to use clean, gentle wipes on my skin. So I typically go for sensitive skin wipes even if I'm not. First wipe down, look at that. Even when we don't think that we are wearing a lot of makeup, makeup just gets stuck in all of the cracks and crevices. So now that I have removed the majority of my makeup, the rest of it isn't going to come off until I actually cleanse my face. But I do like to take my time and get as much of the makeup off as I possibly can. Alright, so now that that is done, we're going to go ahead and cleanse. I always use a gentle cleanser on my face, and I double cleanse. Just because, again, I do have acne, oily prone skin, and it is vital that my skin gets as clean as possible, that my pores aren't clogged. I just need a fresh face. So let's wash. A little bit of cleanser. We're going to rub it in and massage the face for about 30 seconds to a minute. I know this process can be tedious, but it does give me the opportunity to massage my face, stimulate my skin, get the blood going, moving, pumping, and it preps my skin for the main things that I need, which you will see, so hold on. Alright, so now that I've pretty much done the first cleanse, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and rinse and do it again. Second cleanse. This is the longest part of my skincare routine also, so fret not, don't think that this is going to be an all-night thing. It usually takes me about 7 minutes. Now we rinse for the last time. I like to pat my face dry with a clean towel. So I am actively treating my acne. So the very first thing that I do after I cleanse my skin is I apply my acne medication. If you're familiar with any type of acne, and most acne medications, they typically dry out the skin. So even though I have oily skin, I'm using this acne medication that will literally suck all of the moisture out. But I have a step in my skincare routine that has literally been game changing, and it goes in and replenishes the moisture that my skin needs. So once I do my acne medication, I'm going to move on to the star of the show. This bad boy right here. This is the Olay Deep Hydration Serum, and it has B3 plus hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid basically absorbs the moisture from the air. So you could consider this as a cool drink of water for your skin. It's going to replenish and restore the moisture that it needs. And right now my skin is getting pretty tight because of the acne medication that I use, and it's getting extremely dry. Even my lips are dry. So I actually need a product just like this to essentially put the moisture back in. So all I do is take the serum and apply a few drops like so. Now I take my fingertips and I rub it in. I also like to do a pressing motion. So this serum literally instantly hydrates my skin. It kind of gives you this very, very natural glow, but it doesn't feel greasy or sticky or anything weird. It's just a really powerful hydrating serum that works for all skin types, so literally even your acne, oily prone skin. And it's also helping me clear up some of my dark acne spots. So Olay did this, and thank you so much for sponsoring this video. This particular serum is sold at CVS, so if you guys are interested, make sure that you check the links in the description bar below for more information on the Olay Deep Hydration Serum with B3 plus hyaluronic acid. Now, my very last step in my skincare routine is of course going to be to moisturize, and I typically go with a gel moisturizer because that is best for my particular skin type. If you have oily, acne prone skin, go with gel moisturizers. It will save your life. So I'm just going to grab a bit of my moisturizer and apply that also. I never ever forget to moisturize my lips. I almost did, but I never forget this, so I always do a lip sleeping mask. I don't care what time of day it is. If my lips are dry, I'm gonna moisturize them. I am done. My skincare routine is done. Here are the results. I can already tell you that in the time that I have been using the Olay Deep Hydration Serum, I have seen my skin transform. It looks healthy, it looks hydrated, and some of my marks are slowly fading. So I am here for it. Lastly, I cannot forget to mention that Olay has a skin promise, which means that all of the content that you see centered around their skincare will be untouched. So literally the video editing, the commercials, the global advertisements, completely untouched skin. And it is because they want real life people to see real life skin. So how did our skin progress after using the products in real life? So none of my blemishes or scarring or wrinkles or any of that or uneven skin tone is going to be touched or edited. You're just gonna get it raw and real in the video. So now that you know, I can actually show you guys my before and after over these past couple of weeks that I have been using the Olay Deep Hydration Serum with B3 plus hyaluronic acid. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my nighttime skincare routine. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button for weekly uploads. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Good night.